Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete all unread emails in Yahoo. So first of all, what you want to do is to obviously log into your Yahoo mail, and as you can see I'm logged in right now. So what you want to do next is to go to Unread and then select all the emails that are unread. So just click the box right here, so it will select all of your emails that are in the unread section. It also works the same in the inbox, so you just want to click right here. But if you cannot find it in here, but I guess you should find it anyway. But if you can't, just type in the search bar is unread. Sorry. And this will bring you to the same action as you can see. So then what you want to do is to select the checkbox again and click just delete. And as you can see, all of the unread emails are now in the trash. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and consider to subscribe to our channel. Bye.